Struggling with PCB production issues? Manual checking slow and incomplete? Have trouble communicating with your manufacturer? Costs too high? You need the perfect partner for PCB engineers. HQDFM, free and powerful PCB design and production assistant. Check over 50 DFM and DFA production risks with one click. Avoid over 200 production pitfalls. Supports Gerber and ODB++ files. Includes quick and easy footprint checker. And more PCB production tools. Maximize efficiency and product reliability while reducing costs. HQDFM, the bridge to seamless PCB design and production. Download for free at nextpcb.com/DFM.